Hey lovies, welcome back to another delicious recipe, and on today's recipe I'm going to show you how I make my delicious shrimp stir fry. So let's get started with this recipe. So all the list of the ingredients I have here will be on the description box. Do check it out so you can access them anytime you want to make yours. So guys, at this moment I will start seasoning my shrimps with some salt, some garlic powder, black peppers, and I'll add in some cornstarch flour, chili powder, and I will go ahead and stir it up together. I will add in some light soy sauce. So after seasoning my shrimp, I will set it aside while I go ahead and prep my veggies. So I'm going to be chopping my red bell peppers and green peppers into some nice big chunks, and also with the carrots. I'll go ahead and slice the broccoli and steam it with some hot water. So at this moment, I'll go ahead and add in some oil in my pot, and I'll add in my garlic and ginger. I will start stir frying the shrimp bit by bit as I want it to get that nice color. I'm going to be stir frying each side for just about 20 seconds on each side. I'm not going to cook it for long. So when I'm done stir frying all my shrimps, I will set it into a plate and I will start stir frying my veggies. So I'll add in my onion into my garlic and ginger, and I will allow it to simmer for about 2 minutes. Right now I'll go ahead and add in all my veggies, and I'm going to stir it for just 2 minutes. So after stir frying them for 2 minutes, I will go ahead and add in my broccoli, and I will give it a nice stir and allow it to simmer for just a minute more. And right now I'll go ahead and add in some light soy sauce, and I will also add in 2 tablespoons oyster sauce. So after adding my oyster sauce, I will give it a nice stir and allow it to simmer. Right now, I will go ahead and mix in 1 tablespoon cornstarch flour with some water, and I will put it in my veggies and give it a nice stir. This is going to add as a thickener to it to make you have that thick sauce. So guys, at this moment I will add in my stir fried shrimp, and I will give it a nice stir for just 30 seconds, and my delicious shrimp vegetable stir fry is ready. Thank you very much for watching. If you did enjoy watching this recipe, please don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. Click on that red subscribe button, click on the bell icon that goes with it. That's where you will be notified anytime I post delicious and interesting recipes like this. And also do drop me a comment on the comment section letting me know if you enjoyed watching this recipe. Till I see you on my next video. Bye bye.